Hello mga ka-Twilight! Ako po ang iyong friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee. Ilan sa inyong mga katanungan na ipinadala sa akin ay sasagutin ko na ngayon. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Doc, ano po ang best vitamin sa taong may prostate cancer? Okay, people who have already been diagnosed with prostate cancer, one, you have to get the quickest management after you have been graded and diagnosed and stage. So, yun ang importante sa prostate cancer, no? Bibigyan ka naman ng specialista mo ng options on how to treat your cancer depending on the stage, di ba? Maraming options. So, huwag ka na mangamba o matakot. Now, kung at this point kasi may prostate cancer ka, ano pang protection ng gusto mo, siguro pwede natin gawin is palakasin natin ang immune system and take more supplements that has antioxidant o yung antioxidant na supplement natin na makaka-destroy ng free radicals. You have to remember, if you have prostate cancer, you still have free radicals roaming around that could add up to your disease, no? So, para lumakas ka, maprotektahan yung siguro pwede mong kainin yung mga green leafy vegetables, di ba? Yung mga spirulina is very, very good. Your Genesis Organic Spirulina, the #1 spirulina in the country, can help you, no? The ORAC value, the value of antioxidant levels ng Genesis Organic Spirulina is roughly around 24,000 or more. Ang katawan lang natin kailangan 3,500. But you have already an insult to your prostate, which is your prostate cancer. So you have to really need all of yung nabibigay na sustansya or important and antioxidant levels na production ng Genesis Organic Spirulina. So it can help. So how many tablets? You can go from 6 tablets a day. That's okay. Then, continuous mo lang. Organic naman siya, wala naman hindi naman makakasama. Of course, you still continue to follow up with your specialist, di ba? Alright. Doc, bakit po may lumalabas na dugo sa pag-ihi kapag katapos kong mag-basketball? Kasi nakapaa lang po ako kapag naglalaro. Nakakatakot po. Okay, walang kinalaman, iho, ang nakapaa ka at dinudugo ka sa pag-ihi. There's no correlation to that, no? Baka iniisip mo, baka yung mga kinukulam ka, hindi rin. Nothing to do with that. Now, blood in the urine could be secondary to trauma, stones, baka merong kang severe infection. Pero pag wala ka naman sintomas na gano'n, how will you be relating to it, di ba? Lalo na pag nagbabasketball ka, hindi naman traumatic, wala naman nangyari sa'yo. Siguro, ang pwede natin gawin sa'yo is further evaluation of your urine na may blood. Lagi kong sinasabi, ang dugo sa ihi, dapat na tukuyin natin kung ano nagkukos, di ba? So ano po ang dapat natin gawin kung nakakaranas tayo ng ganitong sintomas, kagaya na sinasabi na, we look at it, check on it, at tingnan natin kung ano po ang magagawa natin. Okay? At yan ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell. Post your question in the comment box below. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Muli, ako po ang inyong Twilight friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee saying hello but never goodbye. Thank you.